Hi guys, this is Martin, aka Martin the Vlogger, and today we will talk about brand new product from MTV Manufacturing. Actually, the product is stone chip protector for the front arms for all BRP Can-Am Spyder F3, F3S and F3T. And I have created this product together with Eazi-Grip. Eazi-Grip is a UK company, probably the largest manufacturer of protecting wrap foils. Now, why I have decided to go with the Eazi-Grip, what type of material they are using, and how is the kit made. First thing first, why Eazi-Grip? Because I'm already working with them. I'm working with them on this frame protector that you can put your foot there and and rest without scratching your frame. That was a transparent one. This is the black one. I don't know why I still have two colors on my bike, don't ask me that. And that's the first thing. So I'm already working with them. They're super polite, they're hardworking, they're a big company, and they're still willing to talk to me, a small guy from Slovakia, not size small, like small in terms of like company. Now, what's basically inside of the box? Good. So let's start with this one. It comes as an empty bottle with some some shampoo on the bottom. It's directly from the guys from UK as the special formula, or at least they call it a special formula. But what it does, you will apply it here, you will put the water inside, of course, and you will apply it on your frame, so you will be able to move the stone chip protectors or the wrap foil around, so it's for easier manipulation. Of course, you receive the stone chip protector foil by itself. What is not here, and it will be included, it's the map or the manual basically, so which part goes where, and you will receive the degreasers. I recommend to spray it a little, put some water in there, therefore you will not have the kind of dirt from the other side. Now, maybe a small tip: don't go super nuts with the water. Don't go super nuts on a frame. It's good to put a little bit of this in there, but don't go super crazy, because every water that basically will be underneath or in between the foil and the frame basically needs to go out, right? So don't go just super crazy. What you basically need to do is find the best way it will fit you. The logic was try to cover as much as the frame as possible without or avoiding these weldings, if you can call them like these weldings connections. So you can see there is a sharp edge on this side, so it should go right here behind this, and you need to play with angles a tiny bit, and it should fit all fine. When you are not happy, when the welding is, let's say, a little bit bigger, simply just cut a tiny piece, and then all you need to do is just simply go gently and remove all the bubbles and all the water that is underneath the foil. This right over here is the most difficult one because it has a tiny curve, and I really wanted to make it as easy as possible for installations. So we have decided that it will be done by two parts. So the first one goes all the way up here. Oh, I'm sorry. So the first one goes all the way up here, and the second one we will meet somewhere over here. When you will put too much water in there, don't panic. Just try to, go over and over again over the bubble, and it will work. Trust me. All you need to do is basically remove most of the water that is underneath of it, and then it will stick absolutely perfectly, And once it sticks there, The sun will do the remaining job, but yeah, this way it's nice and clean. And almost, as you can see, there is almost no sign of, you know, connection. And without that, without splitting this into two parts, it was possible to do it, but you will hate Martin the vlogger. So guys, if you're watching in September 2020, that's a good for you. Probably you are a subscriber and you have notifications on, and here is the benefit for you. Those front arm stone chip protectors by MTV Manufacturing will be on my website for a special price as a pre-order. There will be a special bundle that will stay there, frame protectors together with the front arms. So all you need to do is go to the martinthevlogger.com and go to the section of online shop, or simply martinthevlogger.com/shop in your browser. Maybe you're thinking like, what about these? And there are a lot of damages there, and yeah, I'm already working on it. However, I have so many different projects that martinthevlogger.com will bring you very shortly. They're a super cool project, but the Rome wasn't built in a day. And now, remember, visit the Martin the Vlogger online shop and always have fun.